Field density test conducted at Ginebra San Miguel Incorporated. MABOLO, CEBU City. 3 holes. Soil field density test method comparison: sand cone versus EDG.
Soil field density test measures relative density of soil which has been compacted using compacting equipment, and the result of this test is expressed in %. This relative density is measured comparing maximum dry density obtained from field test with maximum dry density of laboratory test as a standard reference. In addition, maximum dry density of laboratory test can be obtained using one of 2 methods, whether using standard Proctor test or modified Proctor test. At present time, there are a lot of methods that can be employed to obtain field soil density, and 2 of them are sand cone method and EA method. His tool uses calcium carbide that when react with moisture will produce gas pressure that drive the pointer to certain value. We call this value as wet moisture content. Moisture content, which is expressed with %, is measured from material's dry weight. Meanwhile, speedy moisture tester measurement is based on wet weight. To obtain dry moisture content, simply use calibration curve which attached in the speedy moisture tester box. From the 2 data which have been obtained, that is wet density and moisture content, we can calculate the LA of the soil. This LA value can be compared with previous calculated LA laboratory from Proctor test, whether the standard or modified one, to get relative dry density. Overall, this process takes approximately 1 hour for conducting the whole process for one test, depend on proficiency of people who run the test and number of people in the testing team. The procedure of sand cone test method has been standardized with international standardization organizations like American Society of Testing Material, LABORATORIES. Same with the sand cone method, which is used to measure soil field density. What is the difference between EA and sand cone then? For first, E stands for electrical density gauge. From the name of the device, we can correlate that E measures density of soil using electrical constants, or to be precise, the electric constants, which is obtained from high-frequency radio energy emission. The way E measure density differs from that of the sand cone method. How does E work? First, as previous explanation, E measures soil density based on the electric constants. The dielectric constants, which are used EA to measure soil density, are capacitance, CS, resistance, Res, and real impedance, ZIA. As said before, E only measures the electric constants and cannot be used to measure density and moisture content directly. So, we need to establish soil model first. What is soil model? Soil model is regression linear curve that correlate between electrical constants with density and moisture content. Just for information, E will measure density using real impedance, ZIA, and moisture content using ratio of capacitance resistance, ZIA Ra. How can we calculate density if E itself at the first stage cannot be used for measuring density? Here, we need the help of sand cone and speedy moisture tester, but this is only when we were developing soil model at the first stage. After that, we do not need it again as long as soil type that is being measured is the same. Just remember, when developing soil model, we like to make as many points as possible with ranging density and moisture content value. The more data you get, the more precise soil model you make. The accuracy of edge soil model is represented by edge number. For example, beta number 0.7 means that soil model we made has 7% accuracy. The other thing that we should pay attention when using it is, due to nature of electrical constant, temperature has significant effect on measurement accuracy. In soil model development, temperature probe needs to be involved because if not, then the soil density and moisture content even will have an error value. For example, if we are conducting density and moisture content measurement in hot daylight compared with if we're doing it at cold night, the result will have significant difference. However, with the use of temperature probe when we were developing soil model, all the electric constant readings shall be equilibrated at the minimum degree. The choice is yours. Which one is more suitable for your project after considering the pros and cons? As for me, I would choose either for site preparation backfilling and sand cone method for structural backfilling. This is due to preparation work. In this situation, backfilling has a vast area of work that if it was done with sand cone method, it would take a lot of human resources to speed up the process.
We are open from Monday to Saturday. Located in J.S. Cabahug, St. Sitio, Basbas, Pagsabungan, Mandaue City. For more info, please contact us at 090867754422, 099567098883, 099514174464, and tel number 3280626. Thank you for watching.